From Kirk Diposoy, dili ra lisod mag-handle og Amazon account, sir. Yes po. Actually, mas mahirap yung Amazon product research kaysa mag-handle ng store. Kasi kung nag-handle ka ng store, usually more on admin task na lang. Walang pressure, except kung ikaw yung may hawak ng sales, or if yung business model ni client mo is wholesale, I mean private label, which is need mo mag-run ng ads. So it means ikaw yung responsible ng sales. Doon ka na pressure. Kasi pag wala ganong sales yung store ni client, kasalanan mo. Ayan. Pero kung online arbitrage naman yung business model ng client or wholesale, tapos meron siyang product researcher na member, tapos ikaw yung account manager, hindi naman nakaka-pressure. Bali, make sure mo lang na na-fulfill yung orders, nare-replyan yung mga customer queries or anything. Wala ganong pressure. Ayun.